Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Glyphosate looks like PEP, and that clue basically gives the whole game away. Watch this quick breakdown to lock in why one enzyme answer wins. Glyphosate is structurally very similar to PEP. When a molecule looks like a normal substrate, it often competes for the same enzyme active site. If glyphosate competes with PEP, then PEP cannot bind EPSP synthase as effectively. That blocks the normal reaction with S3P, so the product needed for 3 amino acids is not made. So the herbicide works by competitive inhibition, not by helping binding or speeding the reaction. That makes option A the only explanation that fits. Well done! Option A. Scan now. Trap, rushing past similarity clues. Rule, trust the given details and check each step before choosing.